everyone, and welcome back to Faith and Flour. If you're new here, my name is Robin, and in today's video, I have some decluttering, some organizing, and cleaning to motivate you to tackle a small area in your home. When we sent our son Kyle off to college, we moved 2 weeks later. So it was kind of a rush. We quickly went through all of his childhood items, boxed them up, and then brought a lot of them here with us. We had tried to pare down to the things that we thought we might want to pass on to grandchildren eventually and things that were super sentimental to him. But it's time to go through his closet and under his bed where we've been storing all of those things. He is home now because of COVID-19, but he's going to be returning to college in the fall, which is really just a few weeks away. And so we are just taking a couple hours to quickly peel back another layer and do some more decluttering and organizing. We started with his closet, basically emptying almost everything out of it so that we could sort through it, do a little bit of reorganizing, cleaning, and then getting everything back in the closet in a way that made sense, minus all of the things that he didn't want to keep. I was there basically just to assist Kyle and give him a little moral support because sometimes this type of decluttering just isn't fun, but it was really easy and it was kind of fun because Kyle made snap decisions about what he wanted to keep and what he was ready to part with. So amongst his clothes, there were some old uniforms and things that we thought he might want to hold on to for sentimental reasons, but he was ready to part with them, so we put them in a pile to donate. It only took a few minutes to empty the closet out, and this is the part that can get really tough because it does look worse before it gets better, but having everything spread out in the room really helps you to see what you have and forces you to go through everything, and you're much more likely to part with things rather than just putting them back in the closet. While Kyle was sorting through his things, I went to grab a few cleaning supplies so that we could clean out his closet while it's empty. Kyle started putting some things back in the closet, and anything that he didn't want to keep he put in the hallway, and we collected a big pile for donation or trash. I'm glad that we chose to do the closet first because seeing these great results gives us some momentum to get busy with clearing out everything under the bed. And of course, anytime that one of us gets on the floor, Austin thinks that we're playing a game with him, so he has to get in on the act. When we moved here, we had already put all of Kyle's things in different bins and boxes, and so we put his bed up on risers so that I could arrange everything under there. And I remember the afternoon that I did that. It was like a giant puzzle trying to get everything to fit. A lot of it he hasn't seen since he left for college, so it was really fun to see him opening up all of the boxes and rediscovering all of his treasures. Some of the items that we saved were probably more for my benefit than for his, like this school project. I just have such great memories of all of the work and time that he put into it. After everything had been sorted out into piles for keep, donate, and trash, Kyle did a little bit of light dusting before we put everything back underneath the bed. And I have to say that the dust ruffle or skirt around the bed did a great job because these things have been under there for several years and there really wasn't a lot to clean.
Hijack a flying saucer, steady on the hand, fly.
Seeing the piles in the hallway for donate and trash made us realize how much progress we really did make today. We did keep a lot of things and we could have certainly been a lot more ruthless, but our thinking was that Kyle is going to be out of school soon. He's going to want to take some of these things with him, and we can hold on to a lot of them too for future grandchildren. If we decide to downsize before Kyle takes these things or before we have grandchildren, then we can certainly revisit this area again. And my philosophy is always that decluttering and minimizing is about peeling away layers. And so revisiting things, taking out another chunk, it's just a style that works really well for our family instead of just making a clean sweep and then realizing later on that we wish we had held on to a few things. This is a way for us to sort of adjust to those new levels, and we're going to get there eventually. But for now, like I said, we've got the space and we're happy with our progress today. always feels so good to declutter, reorganize a little bit, and clean a space in your home. So I hope that this video gave you some motivation to do that as well. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. It helps out my channel, and it also lets me know that you like videos like this so that I'll know to make more. If you're new here at Faith and Flour, we'd love for you to join our community by subscribing. It's absolutely free, and if you activate the bell icon, you'll get a notification so that every time I upload a new video, you won't miss a thing. Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me today. I really look forward to talking with you in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great week.